Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn with the exercise 9C. Now, one of the very important notices here, the exercise 9A, exercise 9B, and all the questions related with the half yearly interest is omitted from the syllabus. So, for the assessment 2 from the chapter number 9th, interest, only one exercise, and that is exercise 9C will be there. Okay, remaining exercises are omitted, and also the questions related with the half yearly interest is also omitted from the syllabus. Okay, so let us begin that what we are going to learn in this chapter, in this exercise we can say. So basically in this exercise we are going to learn about the compound interest. Compound interest. Okay, so to calculate this compound interest there are the two methods. The first method to calculate the compound interest is by simple interest method. Okay, and another method is by formula method. Direct formula using is by using a formula. Okay, so like these two methods are there. Okay, now let us understand these two methods by taking one of the example. For example, suppose the principal amount is rupees 1000. Rate of interest is 10% and the time given is 3 years. Okay, and we want to calculate the compound interest for the 3 years. So for that what we need to do here, as the method is simple interest, we will apply the formula of simple interest, P into R into T upon 100. Okay, value of P is 1000, rate is 10%, time is 1 year. For first year we are solving for first year. Okay, we will not use directly 3 years, separately we will solve for the 3 years. So for first year 1000, 10 into 1. Time always we will take as a 1 year for the simple interest method. Okay, upon 100. Now 0 will get cancelled. Interest is rupees 100. Got it? So what will be the amount? Principal plus interest. Principal is 1000 plus 100. 1000 plus 100, it will become 1100. Okay, this is the amount. Now for second year, what will happen? This amount of the first year will become a principal for the next year. Rate of interest will be same, that is 10%, and time is for 1 year. Always the time will include for 1 year. Okay, for this method. So interest will be, formula will be same, P into R into T upon 100. Principal, rate of interest, time upon 100. 0 will get cancelled. It is 110. 110 is the interest. Correct? So amount will become principal plus interest. How much is the principal? 1100 plus 110, it becomes 1210, correct? Now ultimately we will solve for the third year interest. So for calculating the third year interest, the principal will be the amount of this. Amount of the second year will become the principal. Rate of interest is same and the time is for 1 year. Okay, so interest will be 1210 rate into time upon 100. So it becomes rupees 121. Got it? Then amount will be principal plus interest, that is 1210 plus 121, it gives us 1331 rupees. Okay, then to calculate the compound interest, total compound interest, now let us find out these are the simple interest for first year, simple interest for second year, simple interest for third year. To find out the final compound interest for all the 3 years, CI for 3 years, compound interest for 3 years will be this last amount of the third year minus principal. So the compound interest will become rupees 331. 331 will be the compound interest. Is that clear to everyone? So this is the simple interest method. Now let us understand the compound interest by using a formula. Same example we will take. Principal is 1000, rate of interest is 10%, and time is 3 years. In the formula method we can directly calculate the amount of the 3 years by using the formula 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n. This is the formula. Okay, so principal 1, rate of interest is 10%, rate of interest is 10% upon 100 raised to 3. For 3 years directly we can calculate. So it becomes 1010 plus 1 upon 100 raised to 3. So 1011 upon 100, sorry, 11 upon 10 raised to 3. 11 into 11 into 11, 10 into 10 into 10, 0 0 0. So it becomes, amount will become 1331. See, directly we got the answer by using a formula method. Correct? So amount is 1331. Therefore the compound interest will be amount minus principal. So amount is 1331 minus principal will be 1000. So the compound interest for all the 3 year is rupees 331. Okay, understood everyone? So this is the difference between the by using a simple interest method and using a formula method. Basically in the formula method we are directly using the formula and we are directly calculating the amount for 3 years. Once we get the amount of 3 years, subtraction of the amount minus principal will gives us compound interest. And by using a simple interest method we are calculating the interest for separately first year, second year and third year, and whatever the amount we get, see in both of the cases we got the same answer. So whenever the questions are there in the exams, they will ask you that solve by using a particular method. Okay, so understood this thing? Now let us begin with the exercise. We are starting with the exercise 9C. From this exercise also some part is omitted. So which part is omitted in this? The questions related with the half yearly. Okay, half yearly interest is omitted from this.